and welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be doing a hair tutorial, how I washed my hair and got all the way here to my hair being puffy as it usually is. So yeah, I did this hairstyle and then I put some beads on, and then yeah, if you want to know how I came up with this look, just keep on watching. So I washed my hair and with my hair wet I created one of these things. So and then I slept for 2 days and now it's dry, but then it's still in these things. So now we are just gonna remove them. And then you just take them out like this. You do that for everything. And I'm taking it sharp and to be able to do it nice. Okay, now that you've removed all of them, and then you take a big comb, like the big ones, and then you just hold your hair and then you comb, because it's hard, because it was wet, so it's very hard. So you need to hold so it doesn't hurt you. You just hold your hair, you comb, you hold it, you comb. Okay, once you think it's a little calmer than normal, and then you take this, you take the Restore braid spray. Like I always use this, like I don't do anything without using this, and then you just spray everywhere and then comb again, so that you know it's a little wetter, so it can be easier to comb. Just comb. Okay, so I've done full afro, I've combed everywhere, and then look at how much my hair is falling. Like in winter my hair becomes very big. So yeah, I've done full afro, and then you just take a comb like this for what you want, and then just brush your hair up. Just brush all the edges up. And then you take a smaller brush, then just brush your edges, those ones. And then you take a lace, a shoelace, so you tighten it as you go. You bring it up from behind, and then if you want it this big, you can have it this big, but I won't be able to walk if I have it this big. So just bring it down again, and then you do that, and that's how you get the pineapple one. And then now we're gonna put on the beads, and then that's how you have the pineapple. And then you can brush it more up here if you wish to. brush it more up, 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 up. And then I have beads. I have like these ones, these beads, and then I just put them all over my hair. So you just take like one string of hair like this, like you just pull this one out, like you pull it out, you put it out, and then you do like this twisties on it so that you can enter in the hole. You put it, and then you take the brush that can enter in the hole. You put your hair inside the brush so that it's again. You flex it inside your thing, and then you put it inside the bead so that it can come out like this. And that's how you have it. And then you can put it back in your hair like this. Then you just do that everywhere. Like here you can see a strand is already coming out on its own. And then you put it in your comb. Then you put your comb in the bead so that it can come out. And then like that. Then you put it back in. And then that one will show there behind. And then you do like that for everywhere. Okay, so this is what I finished with. Not the best thing I've done, but yeah, it's nice. And then you can put beads on, and then I have these ones. I have a lot, like I have these ones too. These ones can look really nice also. And this matches. And then I have these ones also, and these ones, they are clip-ons, so you can even put them up here if you want. So yeah, I think I'll go with this one because this one is more fancy or whatever. So this one, I'm just gonna put it here. Yeah, it looks cute. Yeah, it looks nice. Okay, so that's the end of this video, and I just did this hairstyle, and then I'll go in the next video doing a makeup tutorial, still looking like this but with makeup. So thank you very much for watching.